Next topic, like and unlike decimals. Like and unlike decimals. The decimals having same number of decimal places are called like decimals. Decimals having same number of decimal places are called like decimals. Consider the example 4.67. How many decimal places are there? 1, 2. 2 decimal places. Then 13.25. 2 decimal places. 196.02. 2 decimal places. 0.04. 2 decimal places. So, decimals having same number of decimal places are called like decimals. Next one, unlike decimals. The decimals having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. Consider the example 0.008. How many decimal places are here? 1, 2, 3. 3. Then 126.7. Only one decimal place. Then 14.08. 2 decimal places. So, decimal having different number of decimal places are known as unlike decimals. Next topic is comparison of like decimals. Comparison of like decimals. Comparison means which one is greater, which one is smaller. We can compare two like decimals just as we compare two whole numbers. One with the greater whole number part will be the greater decimal. In case of two like decimals with the whole number parts, the one with the greater whole number part is greater than the other. We can compare the decimals by ignoring the decimal points. 412 is greater than 386. 412 is greater than 386. First question, which is greater, 412.53 or 386.15? We know that whole part of the first one is 412 and the second one is 386. 412 is greater than 386. So, 412.53 will be greater than 386.15. In the case of like decimals, 2 decimal places are there. Here is also 2 decimal places. So, like decimals we can compare this way. Then, second question, compare 0.49 and 0.43. 0.49 and 0.43. These are also like decimals. So, but whole part is not there. We have to consider the fractional part. Then we know that 49 is greater than 43. So, 0.49 will be greater than 0.43. In the case of like decimals, we can compare this way. Next one, comparison of unlike decimals. Comparison of unlike decimals. To compare two unlike decimals, we have to first convert them into like decimals. To compare two unlike decimals, first we have to convert them into like decimals and then find which is greater or which is smaller. Then consider an example. First one, which is greater, 3.04 or 3.3. The first number 3.04. How many decimal places are there? 2 decimal places. 0, 4. 2 decimal places. What about this one? Only 1 decimal place. So, they are unlike decimals. We have to convert them into like decimals. 3.04 and 3.3 are unlike decimals. Convert them into like decimals. How can we convert it? First number is 3.04. 2 decimal places are there. Second number 3.3. 3.3. Only one decimal place. We have to make two decimal places here also. In the second number also we have to make two decimal places. Then the two numbers will become like decimals. For that, add one zero here. 3.30. And first one is 3.04 itself. And second one 3.3 become 3.30. Then two decimal places are there. They become like decimals. Now, how can we compare like decimals? Compare the numbers ignoring the decimal points. We know that 330 is greater than 304. Without decimal point, the first number is 304 and second number is 330. And 330 is greater than 304. So, 3.30 will be greater than 3.04. 3.30 will be greater than 3.04. Hence 3.3 is greater than 3.04. Which one is greater? 3.3. Second question. Compare 0.8 and 0.08. We have to find which one is greater. Then we know that here is only one decimal place and in the second number 2 decimal places are there. Both are unlike decimals, so we have to convert them to like decimals. First number 0.8. Second number 0.08. Two decimal places are here, so we have to make two decimal places in the first number also. 0.80. Put one 0, then two decimal places are there. Then this is 0.08 itself. Now both numbers are like decimals. We can compare them without decimal point. Consider the numbers without decimal point. 0.80, that means 80. Then 0.08, that means 8. If first 0 is there, means it has no value. So the numbers are 80 and 8. Which one is greater? 80 is greater. 80 is greater than 8. So 0.80 is greater than 0.08. 0.80 is greater than 0.08. So hence this number will be 0.8 is greater than 0.08. 0.8 is the greater number. Next question. Arrange the following decimals in ascending order and descending order. A set of decimals are given here. We have to arrange them in ascending order and descending order. What is ascending order? Small to big. What is descending order? Big to small. First number 3.73. Next one 4.12. Then 2.06, 5.08, 13.51. All are like decimals. Is it? Two decimal places, two decimal places, two decimal places, two decimal places. Here is also two decimal places. So they are like decimals. So we can compare them without considering the decimal point. First number 373, then 412, 206, 508, 1351. These are the numbers without decimal point. Then among these numbers, which one is smaller? 206. 206. Then next one 373. Then 412. Then 508. And at last 1351. This is the ascending order of these numbers. So we have to find the ascending order of these decimals. So we can convert them ascending order of decimals. 2.06, then 3.73, then 4.12, then 5.08, then 130.51. 13.51. This is the ascending order of decimals. Then what is descending order? Descending order, big to small. 13.51, then 5.08, then 4.12, then 3.73, and at last 2.06. This is the descending order of decimals. Next topic is addition and subtraction of decimals. Addition and subtraction of decimals. First we are going to study addition of decimals. There are certain steps. First one, write the numbers in such a way that the decimal point of all numbers are in the same column and the digits having the same place value in the same column. Next step, add the numbers ignoring decimal points. Then at last, put the decimal point in the sum directly under the decimal point of all numbers. We can go through one example. Add the following. First one, 9.2 plus 8.9 plus 14.7. First we have to write the numbers in such a way that the decimal point of all numbers are in the same column. So we have to write 9.2 plus second number 8.9 plus 14.7. We have to place the decimal point in the same column. So 0.741, 14.7. Then next step, we have to directly add these numbers ignoring the decimal points. 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. For 18, write 8 here. Carry 1. Then 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. For 22, write 2 here. Then carry 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Write the decimal point directly. This step, put the decimal point in the sum directly under the decimal point of all numbers. So we have to put the decimal point here. 32.8 is the sum of these decimals. 32.8 is the answer. So we studied how to add like decimals. Next one, consider the second question. Add 26.04, 115.3, 400 and 32.007. These are unlike decimals. Is it? Here 2 decimal place, here 1 decimal place, then here no decimal place, and for the last number 3 decimal places are there. So to add these numbers, first we have to convert these unlike decimals to like decimals. Convert the group of unlike decimals to like decimals. Then first number 26.04, second number 115.3, next number 400, last number 32.007. Is it? How many decimal places are here? 2 decimal places. Here 1, here no decimal place, and here 3 decimal place. Largest number of decimal place is 3. Largest number of decimal place is 3. So we have to make 3 decimal places in all these numbers. We have to make 3 decimal places in all these numbers by putting 0. So 26.04 will become 26.040. Add 1 0 at last. Now 3 decimal places are there. Then what about the second number? 115.3 will become 115.300. 3 decimal places are there. Then what about this one? 400. 400 will become 400.000. What about the last one? 3 decimal places are there, so no need to change it. 32.007. Now all these unlike decimals become like decimals, so we can directly add it. 26.040 plus 115.300. Put the decimal point, then 115. 300, 115. 5, 1, 115. Then 400.000. Then 32.007. We can directly add these numbers, ignoring the decimal points. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 7. Then 4 plus 0 is 4. Here is also zeros. So by adding we will get 4. Then 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 plus 0 is 3. Again 0. So answer is 3. Then we have to put the decimal point. Then 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 0 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. 3 here, carry 1. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. Then 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. So 573.347. 573.347 is the answer.